Hey you guys, I am super excited. Can you believe that I finally was able to carve out a little bit of time to record some devotionals for you guys? Yeah, it's about time because I'm a couple of months past due. If you haven't yet signed up and subscribed over at the second channel, be sure to look me up. It's Dina Rose. Just my name. I'll have it linked for you down below, and I wanted to encourage you to go on over there and subscribe. I'll have a devotional up for you guys later today, and then I also will have some starting daily starting tomorrow. So make sure you follow me over there. We'll see you soon.